Hey guys, I am doing a quick video here, Bold for Christ YouTube channel here, doing a quick video on this word Catholic. For some reason it's been popping up in my life a lot lately, so I want to kind of do a quick video on it. So if we study this word Catholic, and we even use like this Oxford dictionary, which is kind of liberal, it's not like your original Webster dictionary. So by their own definition, it means including a wide variety of things, all embracing, right? Now notice Catholic, it's not, the original word Catholic, it means all embracing, okay? Wide variety of things. The word Catholic doesn't mean anything about religion, okay, or faith, or anything about Jesus Christ. You don't find the word Catholic anywhere in the Bible. It's other dictionaries call it universal. It means universal, right? And then they add the word church to the end of it and say it means universal church. But the word Catholic by itself means universal, means wide variety, means all embracing. So I want to show you a couple things here. Show you a scripture from the King James Bible. It says, "Enter ye at the strait gate, for wide is the gate, and broad is the way that leads to destruction." Notice this word wide. Wide is the gate, and broad is the way, broad, that leads to destruction. And many there be which go in thereat. Because strait is the gate, and narrow is the way that leads unto life, and few there be that find it. Would you say there's a few people in the Catholic Church? Or would you say there's many people in the Catholic Church, right? Okay, so I want to show you something else here. We have, real quick, just to cite that scripture. It was Matthew chapter 7, verses 13 and 14. And then over here we have 1 Peter chapter 4, 18 and 19. Of course, these are King James Bible scriptures. And it says, "And if the righteous scarcely be saved," notice this word scarcely, and compare that in contrast to the meaning of the Catholic word wide, variety, universal. And here we have scarcely. And this is talking about a righteous individual. Not even a sinner. It doesn't say if a sinner scarcely be saved, or if a man scarcely be saved. It says, if the righteous scarcely be saved, where shall the ungodly and sinner appear? Wherefore let them that suffer according to the will of God, commit the keeping of their souls to him in well-doing, as unto a faithful Creator, not as unto a Catholic religion. Okay? So these are a couple things I wanted to point out to you and bring to your attention. So the Catholic Church 100% has nothing to do with Jesus Christ, nothing to do with salvation. The Catholic Church represents the wide, all-accepting path of destruction, hell, damnation. In fact, a better definition for Catholic would be Satanist or satanic. Now, who is the God of this world, right? The God of this world, temporarily, is the devil, right? So the Catholic religion is the religion of the devil. It's the wide, broad, all-accepting religion of the devil. So I hope this helped with the understanding of the word Catholic and its roots, and not only where it comes from, but where it leads to. Thank you and God bless.